show the final touches.
Okay guys, so we're done this thing. It's not the coolest, but I've never made something like this in my life before. Homemade crossbow. I almost said crossbow bow. But it's a crossbow, homemade. We had to cut down literally a tree. So we started from making this. We saw this thing from the hammock, and then we got this string, that rope, and just started sawing this, measuring it perfect, all that. And then we went back there and got this one, part of the crossbow. We got it, and it was all there, but you guys can see it that. But yeah, and we just started with the machete, chopped it down, cut it in like a piece, and then just started trying to get rid of this stuff, but it didn't work, so we just kept on going. Then we tied, and earlier when I was talking about getting that rope, these two were the ones. This one, my dad tied it on here, and then came this, and we tied it, my dad tied it nice and tight here, and it moves, but it's really stable. Next, what we did, we worked on this for a quarter of the time, so I'm not going to really talk about that because that's going to take up most of this. So then after that, we got this. We put some screws in there. There, maybe you can see. Put your arrow in here. And if you're asking and you're thinking, why is there string? Well, it's not to keep it there. It's so the arrow doesn't get out. See? Can't get out. There. And then that's everything. And now we are gonna shoot it. So how you reload it? So look, in this arrow, there's 1 click, 2 click. You want to add 2 clicks. Then you point it to a safe direction. Pull back here. Wait, 2 fingers, 1 finger on the ground. It's a kind of a job load to load this thing up. Oh yeah. Okay guys, now you put your hand down here so the spring doesn't hit it. Gonna back up a bit. Oh man. And it kind of has a kick. Then you lower. Bam. That's awesome, guys, right? And yeah, we literally worked so hard on this thing. And it has turned into a great, awesome crossbow. And I can't believe it. I just can't. I will want this thing for years, but it's not gonna last that long. I wish it could. Oh. But it's awesome. This thing could shoot across my yard. Come on, we're gonna come over here, load it up. Oh man. Okay, now I'm gonna load it like I did earlier. I'm gonna point it towards that way because that way there's those trees to block it, but I don't know. Really. Don't even know. Why? I'll point it that way. Never put your hand in there. Never put your hand there because if your hand gets caught there, yeah, that will not end well. And I do not want to know what happens. Okay, guys. Here we go. I'm not aiming that high, but so much aim higher. Okay, guys. This thing rip. Full shot. Probably easier just to load it like this. Oh man. I didn't want to let go there, but I guess it just chose it wanted to. I love my creation. There is the homemade crossbow. Well, I'll see you next time on my channel. Okay guys, like and subscribe for more, and this is awesome. Thanks.